Hey everyone! Cropping is one of the most essential tools in video editing because it lets us refine our frame and focus attention on what truly matters in our footage. Whether we want to remove unwanted edges, adjust our video for different social media platforms, or zoom in on a specific subject, cropping can make a big difference in the overall look of our content. With Capcut, we can easily crop videos using simple controls and preset aspect ratios. Even if we are new to editing, we can quickly learn how to adjust video frames and get clean, professional-looking results. This guide will show us how to crop video in Capcut the right way. This means importing our video, selecting the clip on the timeline, using the crop tool, adjusting the frame manually, and picking preset aspect ratios like 16.9 for YouTube or 9:16 for TikTok and Instagram Reels. When we crop properly, we remove distractions, improve framing, and make sure our video fits the platform we want. This guide will help us see how cropping improves our video's look without lowering the quality. Now let's follow the steps together. We will go through the easiest way to crop a video on Capcut. Now let's use this as an example. Let's create a new project. Let's import some new pictures. For example, let's drop this down. And once we have this, if we want to adjust it, we just have to click the ratio button. We can find it at the lower part of the player. Select the aspect ratio and we can choose any size we want. We can pick 9:16 or crop by adjusting the size manually. It depends on what we need. That's how easy it is to crop in Capcut. Very simple and quick. Once we know how to crop videos in Capcut, we have more control over how our content looks. Cropping helps us make cleaner compositions, highlight important details, and get our videos ready for any platform. With practice, we'll be able to adjust frames confidently and efficiently, making our edits smoother and more professional. Keep trying different framing techniques to boost creativity and help our videos stand out.